everybody, and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily add multiple stops on the Google Maps application. So as you can see, at first we have to tap here to add the final destination point. So we can search it here or go back and do our next destination point using the pin here and directions. And now as you can see, this is the destination point. So what if I want to go somewhere else? At first we have to tap add stops here at the bottom, and now we can tap search along a route. We have to tap that. Here we can choose the point on the map or search it using the keyboard. I'll choose on the map this point, and let's at first tap here. Now we have to tap OK, and here we have the first stop. Here we have the first stop, and now we go here, and here we have the final destination point. We can add another stop using the same button here. Now we can tap search along the route. Again, choose on the map. We can tap any other direction. As you can see, it looks a little bit strange, but this is our destination. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.